ELI5. Why do animals not have Down syndrome, while humans do? Is there any reason for this? The answer. Case. https://pubba.nabi.nhe.gov/28,220,267 of a syndrome similar to Down syndrome has been reported in chimpanzees. Down syndrome arises as a result of i.e., when someone has 3 copies of a certain chromosome instead of the usual 2. In the case of Down, it's the 21st chromosome that is affected. Most trisomies of other chromosomes in humans are fatal, meaning the pregnancy ends in a miscarriage or stillbirth, or the child dies at a young age. Trisomy 21, resulting in Down syndrome, is an exception, along with a few others. Humans have 46 chromosomes, organized in 23 pairs, 22 numbered autologous chromosomes, and 1 pair of sex chromosomes, XY. Other animals' genomes are organized differently, with different numbers of chromosomes, besides which, of course, they have different genes. So, for these 2 reasons, there is no exact analog to Down syndrome among non-human animals, since no other animal has the same genes or even the same set of chromosomes as us. However, chimps being our closest relatives, they can get close. Their 22nd chromosome is very similar to our 21st, and in the case I linked to above, a chimp was born with 3 copies of this chromosome, and this resulted in symptoms that overlapped with those of Down syndrome as we see it in humans. Other trisomies, and more generally polysomies, meaning any number of copies above the normal 2, certainly occur in animals too. Some have been documented in dogs, for instance, but most we simply don't know about. As I said, most trisomies are fatal, so you won't find any animals with those. The remaining trisomies that occur in humans all lead to serious developmental disorders or birth defects, to an extent that would likely be fatal in the wild at a young age too. We simply can't document all the genetic defects that cause wild animals to perish. How would we even know where to look? Animals die all the time, after all, and young animals especially. So most of the ones we do know about happen in captive or domesticated animals, since those are the ones we actually see. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.